We got the stove going again. I used it the other day, but I had that turned around the other way, so I got turned around the right way to get more airflow. But I got some cowboy charcoal down there, and I also cut this grate and put that on there. So we're gonna cook us a steak on there, and then chow down. Oh yeah! Got that grate to fit on there real good, so it kind of locks it in there. Cause these have ridges on those. And then locks it in right there. And this other side it's locked in inside, so it's not going anywhere. Look at that. It just moves the whole thing. Pretty cool. So this is what I got on there. So Mike's smoked salt, little seasoning blend, little doggies. Oh yeah, that's what I put on there. Look at that. Got both sides all seasoned up. Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Let's flip that bad boy. Oh yeah, let's flip it over. Oh yeah. I took that other ring piece off and I put this grill on there just like that, and it seems to be working a lot better. So I think so, anyways. For grilling something. But yeah, check it out. Oh yeah, folks. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, steak. Oh yeah, steak number 2 on here. It works way better grilling like this without that other ring on there. Yeah, it's working awesome. Oh yeah, much better like this for grilling. Anyways, if you want to grill something, you hear that sizzle in action. Oh yeah, folks. You can smell it. It smells good. Look at that juicy goodness right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yummy nummy nummies. Alright y'all. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.